Having your charger stuck in your Tesla Model 3 can be frustrating, but don't worry, it's often easily fixed. This video will guide you through three main methods to release the charger, using the release button, the Tesla app, and the emergency pull. These solutions address common issues like mechanical binding, software glitches, or debris. We'll start with the simplest solutions first. The quickest and safest way to dislodge a stuck charger is by using the release button. This physical button is located on the charge port flap. To use it effectively, firmly press the release button while gently but steadily pulling the charging cable outwards. Ensure you're pulling straight without twisting or jerking the cable. This method works best if the latch is only slightly stuck. If the release button doesn't work, try using the Tesla app to unlock the charge port. Open the app on your smartphone and navigate to the Vehicle Controls section. Look for the Unlock Charge Port command and tap it. This sends a signal to the car's latch motor, attempting to reset it. For this to work, ensure your car is awake, e.g., by using your key fob or the app itself, and that your phone has a stable Bluetooth or Wi-Fi connection. The emergency pull is a manual method that disengages the charge port's internal latch mechanism. It's essential to handle this carefully to avoid causing damage to the charge port itself or to the charging cable. Be extremely cautious during the pull to prevent bending components or breaking seals. Rough handling can lead to misalignment of the connector pins or damage to the port's electrical contacts, which might require expensive repairs. Once you've used the emergency pull, immediately contact Tesla support to schedule a professional inspection of the charge port. This ensures any potential damage is identified and addressed before it worsens. Using the charge port without this inspection could lead to further issues like incomplete charging, connection failures, or even safety hazards. Always prioritize professional verification to keep your Tesla functioning reliably. Prevention is key to avoiding stuck Tesla chargers. Regular maintenance keeps your charging system healthy and reliable. First, clean your charge port regularly to remove debris or moisture that could cause the latch to malfunction. Use a soft, dry cloth to gently wipe the port, avoiding any liquids that might damage electronics. Second, always handle charging cables gently. Avoid forceful insertion, as this can wear down the latch mechanism over time. Treat the cable with care to prevent mechanical binding that leads to stuck chargers. Third, schedule annual port inspections at a Tesla service center. Professional technicians can identify potential issues early before they cause problems. This proactive approach ensures your charging system remains reliable. Finally, keep your charging cables clean and dry. Store them in a dry environment to prevent corrosion, which can affect cable performance. Regular visual inspections help maintain cable integrity. If none of the previous methods work, or if you notice any signs of damage to the charging port or cable, it's best to contact Tesla service for professional assistance. Signs of damage include visible cracks in the port, corrosion from moisture, unusual clicking sounds, or persistent error messages. In rare cases, about 1% according to Tesla data, towing to a service center might be necessary for hardware defects. Looking ahead, Tesla is constantly improving its charging technology. Future models are expected to have more robust ports with better seals and mechanical tolerances. Rumors suggest AI-driven fault prediction that alerts drivers to potential issues before they occur, and even fully wireless charging systems by 2030. Remember to always check Tesla's official support site or app for the latest updates and troubleshooting guides as technology and procedures evolve quickly.